What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Lincoln MKZ remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the 2013 to 2016 Lincoln MKZ, and it's going to use replacement batteries CR2025. It's going to use 2 of them. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look at the back, the part with the key ring down here, if we're calling this the bottom, if we take a look at the top, we see there's this button right here that I have my finger on. Now you may be able to just press that button down far enough with your finger and then pull this back cover off. But what I like to do is just grab a screwdriver and then I come up here to the top of the button and then press that button down with the screwdriver and then pull that back cover off. Either way, once we get that back cover off, I'm going to grab my screwdriver and come up here to the top. And I'm going to get my screwdriver in between this outer shell and this inner plastic piece and just pry like that. And that'll pop out. Then this inner plastic piece, once that comes loose, this is what's holding our batteries. So now I'm going to grab my screwdriver, pop the first battery out, and you'll see there's this white plastic piece separating the 2 batteries. There's another battery underneath that. So get those 2 batteries out. Then we can put our new ones in. So just kind of hold that white plastic piece out of the way. Then we'll install our first battery, and you're going to install the first one with the plus side up, positive side up. Put that one in there like that. And then you can put that white plastic piece back into place. And then our second battery, we're going to install with the plus side or positive side down like that. Snap that into place. Then we're going to put this piece back on here. And the thing I'm going to be doing is looking towards the bottom. You can see there's these 2 loops. Those 2 loops are going to fit on those 2 metal notches like that. So get those on there and then just snap this piece all back together. So make sure that's all the way snapped together, and then we'll snap our back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.